Hey everyone and welcome back to Horilla. So today in this video we'll be talking about the leads of the CRM of Horilla. So this leads is basically designed to automate, streamline and ultimately boost the management and conversion of your potential customer leads. So we'll start by navigating to the module itself. From your Horilla dashboard, simply head to the sidebar, click on the sales. So this is the sales, okay? Click on that and then select leads. So already leads has been selected. Okay, so this is basically your leads overview, which is a centralized list view that provides secure and efficient access to all your potential customer data. And you can notice the sortable columns. Okay, so you have different columns over here like title, first name, email, lead source, industry, annual revenue, and actions and all. So you can see that all these columns are sortables. So when you click on any of these, you can organize your list. So I'm going to organize the names. Okay. So now you can see it is organized in an alphabetical order. So likewise, you can organize it. Okay. And click it back again to organize it in another different order. So that's how it works. Okay. And if you want to quickly locate any specific leads, you can use the search bar. Okay. So here you have the search bar where you can search for any specific leads. So if you search for new, you can see all the leads where this particular word is included. So that's how you search it. And then you also have filtering options. So based on criteria like lead source or even industry, you can filter it. So here you have the filter button. So if you click on that, you can see the filters. You can select it. And you can set a filter over here. Like you can select the active ones, the company, created at, created by, or even updated it. Other than that, you have the lead owner based on the name, email, the lead source, all based on all these fields, you can actually filter your leads. And here you can specify the filters. You can enter the value. Okay. So if I select any of these, okay, I'll choose filter, first name. And here you can add values like contains, not equals, starts with, ends with. If I'm giving the name as contains. So I'll just randomly choose a name, Adam, and apply. So only such leads will be coming here. So you can see first name Adam is given here. Okay, first name contains Adam. Then that person's or such leads only should be displayed over here. So this satisfies my condition and that result has been displayed right in front of me. So if you want, you can save it to the list or even clear all. So I'm just clearing all. That's how you do it. And to enhance your efficiency, the list view allows for bulk management. So you can select multiple leads using the checkbox and you can then perform actions like the update, export, or even bulk delete simultaneously. Okay. So if you want to choose any one lead, you can simply click on the checkbox over here. So just by clicking on that, you can see a lot of operations are there. And next to the title, you can see a checkbox. And if you check that, what happens is that every lead is getting selected and operations can be done on each of these leads simultaneously. Okay. You can export the selected ones. You can update it. Okay, that is the bulk update and bulk delete. And even it shows how many leads are selected. That is the count is shown there. And you can even unselect it from here. So it's that simple. So select for all these things can be done from not only from the checkbox, from here as well. Okay. So that's how you do it. Now we were talking about the list view of the different leads. Okay. Other than this, you can see the actions over here. So for actions, you have edit, you have the change owner button. You can even convert it and delete it. So if you are clicking on edit, you have the option to edit the data that is given. Okay. The leads data can be edited and then you can save it. So you have details like the basic information, the company details, location and requirements. So you can click on whatever page, like if you're having any small edits means it will be there in any of these areas. If it's in company details, you have to click on next. If it's in location, then you have to again click on next. Or if you are going to give any requirements, click on next. And whatever changes you do, after that you have to click on save. And that will be updated on the existing lead. And then if you want to change the owner of the lead, currently the owner of the lead is Adam. That is the logged in person. So you can change it from here. You can see all the owners, like people who are capable of setting them as owner can be seen over here. That is the users. So you can select the person from here and change it. So that's how you do it. I'm not changing it right now. Then you have the option to convert it. So conversion, even in conversion, you have three things to take care of. Okay. So here you have the account, the contact, and the opportunity. You can either create a new account or select an existing account. Similarly, similar is the case of contact and opportunity. Okay. And then directly go on and convert it. And then finally, you have the option to delete it. So that's how it works. And then we have the leads Kanban display. So now let's look at the Kanban display. Okay. Now you can click on the Kanban icon to switch the view. So this is the Kanban icon. So if you click on that, this is how the view switches. Okay. So this view offers a powerful visual representation of your leads categorized by their current stages. So you can see stages like junk lead, not contacted, new, and contacted, which are different stages, and leads are grouped under those stages. Okay, so the core functionality here is the drag and drop feature. So you have one over here. So this is a not contacted one. I'm dragging and dropping it to the contacted one. So that's the feature. Now this has become contacted. Okay, so this will allow you to update the leads status seamlessly and visually track their progress through your pipeline. Just by taking a look at the pipeline, you'll get to know what the status of each lead is. Okay, then you have full control over the categorization and stages shown here, which you can adjust in the Kanban settings to perfectly suit your sales preferences. So this is the Kanban view, and each card will be showing you details like the name, the the person, the email, lead source, industry, and all. And here you have the three dots where you can do the further editing and all. Okay, so if you click on that, you have the option to edit. You can change the owner, convert it, and delete it. That icons that you have seen in the list view is what you can see here as well. So that's the two different views Horilla CRM provides for the leads. Next, how can you create a new lead? So to start tracking a new prospect, click the new button. So here you can see a new button, right? Click on that. So here this opens a multi-step form designed to capture all necessary details. So in the first step, the basic information, that is, you have to input the essentials like the lead owner, the title, the first name, last name, email, contact number, fax, the lead source, and the lead status. Okay, and if you want to move on to the next page, what you have to do is you have to click on next. Again, you will reach the third page, click on next, and then you can save the data. Okay, so giving the lead owner name, you can enter a title, you can give the name. So I'm giving the name as John, and here I'll give the name as Joe, the last name. The email, I'm giving him, this is just a random email, okay? This is not an existing one. Here you can enter the contact number, the fax, and the lead source, whether it's from the website, it's a referral, event, campaign, or phone. I'm putting it as website. And the lead status, I'm putting him under new. Clicking on next. Here you have another mandatory data, which is the company. So I'm choosing the company as new. Okay, and the industry of the company, I'm putting it under manufacturing. Click on next. So it also has this previous button so that you can go to the previous page and edit the data if required. Then again, you can go to next, and once you're done with it, you can simply save it, and that's how you create a new lead. Okay, so new lead is created over here. Here you have John, which we've created. Okay, so that's how it works. And as you all know, basic information, company information, the location, and the requirements can be specified over here. So once you've entered all the data, you have to hit save to submit and store the new lead. So that's how you create a new lead. It's that simple. Now, opening the leads title from the list or Kanban view will bring you to the detailed information screen. Okay, so here you have one, which is the gateway group. Yeah, gateway. So this will open the detailed page or the detailed view information screen. So this offers a comprehensive overview, including related lists, activity history, and communication logs. Okay, so that's how it looks like. You can see the related list, the activities, the history, notes and attachments, and the details. So crucially, this is where the lead, conversion process begins. So you can look at the progress bar at the top. Okay, you have the progress bar over here and representing your pipeline stages. So this will be basically representing your pipeline stages like junk lead, not contacted, new, contacted, and convert. So currently you can see this is under what? Junk lead. Just by clicking on a different stage, such a wizard appears where it will be it will be asking you for a confirmation message. So are you sure you want to change the lead status to not contacted? So I'm putting on confirm and the stage has been changed. Similarly, you can add it to the new one, contacted one, and even convert it. So as any updates take place, gradually you can change the stages just by clicking on this, or from the Kanban view, you can drag and drop it. So that's how it works. Okay. So by reaching or clicking the final stage in the progress bar, which is the convert, you initiate the conversion process, transforming a lead into actionable business entity, which means this is getting converted to an opportunity. So you will be presented with options to automatically create a new account, a contact, or even an opportunity. So I'll show you converting this. So click on that and here comes the lead conversion. As I said before, it will be asking you to create a new contact, an account, or even an opportunity. Okay. So simultaneously, it will be asked and you can fill in the required fields like the account name and opportunity name. So here you can add the name of the opportunity. I'm just giving the name as demo. So whether it's a new one or an existing one, you can add it. The contact can be seen over here and the account. So I'm giving the name as Mila itself. Okay. So that's how it works. Now, once you are done with it, what do you have to do? Click convert to finalize the process. And the lead is now linked to its new entities. So if you click on convert, you can see the lead has been converted. This is how the message comes. So a new account has been created, a new contact has been created, and a new opportunity is ready to be managed by your sales team. And that's how you complete that's how you complete the whole procedure of the leads. That's how you deal with the leads. Okay. So if you want to go back to the leads, you can go to leads. Okay. And here you have the 3 dots to edit, change owner, and delete. Okay. So this is how the leads work. I hope I've gone through everything inside the leads. Let's go back again. Okay. So here we have the list view of the leads. Okay. And that's your complete walkthrough of the Horilla CRM leads. So you now know how to manage your list, visualize your pipeline, create new leads, and successfully convert them into opportunities. So this secure, efficient system is key to enhancing your sales productivity. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Horilla CRM tutorials. Thank you for watching.